Ooh, Mary. Ooh, Mary, Mary, nice and hairy. It's royalty-free Christmas songs 5. Only 3 more till my parole. Here's a song from the royalty-free Christmas choir.
If I don't get smashed for Christmas, I will hunt you down. I'll gut you like the fish you are and watch as your pets all drown. Give me smash.
My songs are royalty-free. Put them in your TikToks, you degenerate scum.
I don't really get TikTok, do you? No, I don't really get TikTok, do you? Nope, I don't really get TikTok, do you? No, I don't really get TikTok, do you? Nope, I don't really get TikTok, do you? Nope, I don't really get TikTok, do you? No, I don't really get TikTok, do you?
Hey, you know that song, Baby It's Cold Outside? What if they made a sequel? I don't know, I'm drunk.
It's perfectly fine.
Actually, it's very problematic, so...
One of the best of all
It
time.
normalizes rape culture. Are you kidding me?
A Christmas classic.
Delete it.
Yum, yum, so fun.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I listen to it every day.
The song is really not that okay.
Wish that I could sing it year
Do
round.
you even hear how you
I see
sound?
no debate.
Great talk, dude.
Now can we go play Smash?
Ooh, this next one slaps. It's called Traveling to See Grandma, and it goes hard.
Traveling to see grandma, traveling to see grandma, traveling to see grandma, traveling to see grandma.
Hey Grandma, I'm home. Merry Christmas.
You're not still seeing that colored girl, are you?
Don't forget, please subscribe my channel and see the whole video and like, share, comment, please.
Oh, come give us a kiss.
Hey, Fortnite! I heard you guys keep getting sued over your dances. Well, luckily for you, I'm bored, and I made some pretty cool royalty-free Fortnite dances that will never get you in trouble. Yeah, those are all royalty free. All you gotta do is pay me in teeth. This next one sucks.
When I was a young boy, I loved the Santa Claus. It made me laugh, it made me smile. Frankly, it was boss. And for some unknown reason, I skipped both 2 and 3. So I thought, heck, I'll watch him now. How bad could they be? The Santa Claus 2, the Santa Claus 3. Both films are atrocities. None of this is edited. This really does happen. It's kind of like they just killed Santa again.
This next song is all about Christmas.